I just bought 1,000 Instagram followers for only $2. Hey guys, my name is Dion and welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get a lot of followers for any social media platform with smmgo.io. I'm going to run you through how to use them so you can build your social media and personal brand and actually get monetized. So without further ado, let's hop straight into today's video. Okay guys, so as you can see, I am on SMM Go right now. I'm going to walk you through exactly how to get these Instagram followers for only $2. So I'm going to be screen recording my phone and showing you step by step. So first of all, as you can see, it's to increase your social media presence, and they have all of these different social media platforms available. So whether you want Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, X, as it's known these days, or LinkedIn and more social media apps, you can do everything on smmgo.io. So first of all, let me log in and I'll show you the dashboard, show you exactly how to get these followers. Okay guys, so let's just take a quick second for the sponsor of today's video called Lead Sniper. So Lead Sniper will help you convert leads into actual clients using a Google scraper, Google Map scraper, and a Yellow scraper all in one place. So if you want to turn those leads into clients, go and check out Lead Sniper. The link will be in the description below. So let's get on with today's video. Okay guys, so as you can see, I am logged in right now, and this is how the dashboard will look once you get in. So you can see my account name there, the total orders, my account spending, and when you scroll down, you can see all of the different social media platforms that I just mentioned. So today, we will be doing Instagram followers, as I said in the intro of today's video. So all you have to do is click the Instagram icon, or you can come down here to the search bar and search right here for Instagram followers. So I just click the icon, that's just easier. And you can click on the category as well. So you can see that they have different services right here for Instagram followers, likes, comments, views, and all of that. And make sure that you choose a service that has the word SMM Go in front of the service, because that means that it is a provider service. So it's faster, it's more reliable, and it's most likely even cheaper. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be saying SMM Go Instagram followers real account. As you can see right there, it says the service number, which is 7158. And then all you have to do is come here to the link, and I'm going to paste in my Instagram profile link. Okay, so there we go. I'm going to copy and paste that in, and then I'm going to select the quantity of followers that I want. So in this case, I'm just going to do something like 342. As you can see, there it is, the average time that it will take for the followers to come in. And you can see the charge. Look at how extremely cheap it is. It's not even $8. It's literally 40 cents for 342 followers. Please make sure that you always read the description box and make sure that everything is right. There's also an option between refill and no refill. So if you take the refill option, if you buy 1,000 and you lose 100, you can go and refill it on the SMM Go website completely for free. If you choose the no refill, then you will have to pay for the followers that you lost. It's that easy, that simple. As you can see, the order has been received. I can go to my Instagram, I can refresh, and the followers will start coming in. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please consider giving it a like. If you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell icon so you don't miss a single video we upload, and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers.